Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Temu of slow connection error by checking your internet, cleaning it, and updating the app.
Fix 1. Check internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Step 2. Switch to a different network if possible. Step 3. Restart your router or toggle mobile data off/on. Fix 2. Clear Temu app cache. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Temu. Step 2. Tap Storage and Cache, clear cache. Step 3. Restart the app and check. Fix 3. Update Temu apps. Step 1. Open Google Play Store/App Store. Step 2. Search for Temu and tap Update. Step 3. Reopen the app after updating. Fix 4. Reinstall Temu. Step 1. Uninstall the Temu app. Step 2. Restart your device. Step 3. Reinstall Temu from the store and log in. Fix 5. Check device settings. Step 1. Ensure date and time are correct. Step 2. Disable any VPN or proxy. Step 3. Try opening Temu again.